Let's start the morning off with a little bit of a staff meeting. Okay. To set up my MTVS, that's mobile teaching vlogging station. Have to drop my speaker, make sure the laptop's good to go. Camera's angled in the correct position. Gotta make sure I eat my breakfast. Time to open up some tabs. Gotta make sure the lunch count's ready. Gotta open up my grade book to make sure I'm able to take virtual attendance and in-person attendance. Gotta open up the Google Meet for all my cohort people who are at home. Since announcements are now virtual, I gotta make sure I boot up the projector every morning and connect this through the HDMI cable over here. So every once in a while I like to start the morning off with a little morning joke. It's part of the routine. What's the difference between a piano and a fish? Anyone? You can tune a piano, but you can't tune a fish. Yeah, that's pretty much the reaction I get. I'm in the first period class. We've got all kinds of notes on the board, and everyone is super enthusiastic right now. You can't hear it because they're half asleep from all the celebrating of scientific inquiry. So I'm ending class right now, which means since I have to leave my classroom, I have to clean the whole area. I gotta erase the board, all my fine artwork. I gave the homework to everybody. All right, so now that everything is clean, wiped, and ready to go, I'm ready to end my class and wheel out of here. Thank you. Good night. Yeah, that's right. Fanfare applause. Okay, now I gotta go remote teach and go find a quiet place for me to do that. So now I gotta sign on to my remote class. We told them to hang out for a second. Hi. How you doing? Hanging in there. How you doing, Sturdy?
Oh, just okay.
I'm gonna go find a quiet place after I log in. Take care of business. Hi, Mr. McCoy. Yeah. How you doing?
Marino.
How you doing? Good to see you. They're all yours. Well, see you later. We get to the library. Just have a little quick check-in. So I gotta find a quiet corner somewhere. Okay. I'm gonna go right over here. Now, what's next? All right, so now that I'm logged in, I'm meeting my class. I gotta take a quick virtual attendance, and to do that, I just say, I have all the kids sign in and say hello in the chat. And then at the end of the class, I have them say goodbye. And then later on, I can take that screenshot and do my attendance. It takes 2 seconds, not even a big deal. That's the way I do it anyways. I'm sure there might be an easier way of doing it, but it's the way I do it. Say hi to my vlog, everybody. Good, awesome, party. Now I have 20 minutes to check in with them, so I gotta go. So I just finished my first virtual check-in today. It's about 20 minutes. I try to get them out in about 15 minutes because they have a lot of things to do. And I want to give them a couple minutes between check-ins to get up, stretch, walk around. On their virtual days, they have an abundance of time, which gives them no excuse to hand in the work late. Now I got about 5 minutes to get my stuff all set up here and prepare for the next class. Do a little bit of screencasting, show them my homework assignments and what my expectations measure up to be. I'm in the library right now. There's not many people in here. I gotta make sure I keep the volume down because I don't want to be the loud person in the library. So right now I'm in like a single person room right now. It's in the front of the building. This is one of the old guidance offices, which is used now for for teachers whose classrooms are being used for other teachers, because kids stay in one spot and the teachers move around. I feel like I'm in a library study room, and I got my station here, and I'm setting up a couple things for my class today, and I got at least a decent view of the street. Maybe I'll move outside. I don't know, but I'm trying to get some work done right now, and to have a nice quiet place makes things easier. All right, we're outside right now. Kids are eating lunch. My mobile teaching vlogging station is still online, which is amazing because I'm outside. The Wi-Fi reaches. I got some tunes going on my JBL, and everyone's doing an okay job social distancing. I think they could do better though. I want them at least 175 feet apart. All right, everybody.
Goodbye.
Take care. Goodbye. All right. I'm on my way to my next class right now. rolling down the hallway.
Oh my.
Yeah, that's up. That's Mr. Nelson. He's wheeling himself down the hallway. Probably to do something remote. Can't blind over the buttons and want to lose everything. It could be a little bit scary. I got all kinds of bumps and stuff. 13. Got one more classroom to go to. Alright, we're almost there. Alright, I'm at my next destination. This is a day in the life of Mr. Marino. This is what I have to do every class. Now I'm here. I'm going to park it. And I'm going to start teaching. This is walking into the class, take 2. This is one of my favorite classes to walk in. Like a grand entrance. Check this out, watch this. What's up, party people? I love this class. I walk in there and it's like they are so hyped for me. What's up, party people? Yeah! Whatever. Because the thing is, with classes meeting at different times, means I post assignments at different times. Which means some kids who learn material, they have the assignments. Kids that didn't learn the material, they don't have those assignments. So I gotta make sure everything's organized the way it should be. So I don't want to post an assignment to a group of kids who haven't learned the content. Then they get confused and upset, and that's not fair. So I gotta make sure I'm super organized. And that's the thing, people. I'm moving around so much. A student earlier was like, well, now you know how we feel because we move around different classes. Yeah, I know how you feel. I went to school. I know how you feel. But we make the best of it. So one of the difficult things is loading this thing on the elevator. I mean, could you imagine if all this stuff just spilled all over the place? There's no Wi-Fi in the elevator, so I can't run classes in here. That'd be pretty cool because of the lighting and the backdrop, right? This is like a vlogging setup. Okay, I gotta stop talking to the camera when I get off the elevator. Mr. Marino, everything okay? I'm in the cafeteria. No one's here. I got my music playing. So I'm gonna switch from the Chromebook to my personal laptop. I'm gonna take the SD card out of this GoPro. I've already uploaded any videos from my phone to Drive. Transfer them over here. I'm gonna start editing. Gotta connect my mouse in here, get some videos together for my classes. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. My 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's gonna say volume. This one's gonna say distance. And then we're gonna write units. Time to get started. Hey, this is Mr. Marino reporting to you for my last class of the day. I'd like to thank everyone for following me along on a day in the life of MrMarinoScience. As you can see, it's pretty hectic and it's only Thursday. I don't know if this week will ever end. I don't know if this day will ever end, but I'm gonna maintain a PMA, positive mental attitude, which is what all of these Marino-lites are gonna do as well. Have a good day, thanks for following. Please like and subscribe, link in bio, smash the alert button.